That's good. She'll like the rubber duck. Oh, it glows.
She's okay with it.
She's alright. She's got a duck to distract her. This is good. That was a smart plan. She's gonna be really pissed at this point.
Hold her.
Don't get it in her ears.
Yeah.
It's on a splash.
Okay, you hold her, I will rinse her, okay? Make sure you got her.
Okay.
Kitten looks a bath. She's gonna be really pissed at you for the next, 2 days.
Can't picture her cat being pissed. Oh my god.
Just give her some food, she'll be okay. Yeah.
Yeah, make sure you get her tail. That tail's dirty.
Poor cat. Okay, you need to put some soap.
You're okay.
Okay.
It's soap time. You're okay.
It's okay.
Don't let her run away. She's gonna be hard to catch when she's wet.
I'm gonna get in there.
You're gonna get in there.
She needs more. She's thick and furry.
She's really furry.
Vacation. She's so dirty. Just pick her up and put her.
My cat would probably claw us to death if we tried to do this to her. P.S.
Oh, her arm!
What's wrong with her arm?
It's like over there.
Oh, look at that wet cat. What a wet cat.
She's not too pissed, actually.
She's just kind of awkward.
She's kind of like, I don't know what's going on now.
But I guess it's okay. I'm just gonna suck it up.
Yeah, kitten. She's like, as long as you don't get my ears wet.
I don't want to put it on her head.
Don't.
Yeah,
It's bad to get water in their ears though because they get ear infections.
I just want to make sure she has no soap on her left.
Well, I need to soap her tail. You hold on to her.
Yeah, soap her tail. That's the important part.
She's having a good time.
You get a good rub out of it.
But I think that's why she's okay with it.
And she's still kind of greasy up here.
Greasy?
I don't know what's going on.
Oh, look at your wet rodent cat.
Oh, poor kitten.
Oh, she's so cute.
She's so adorable.
Can you take a picture with my phone?
Yeah, where is your phone?
It should be on the ledge. I'm in the bathtub with my cat.